Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video we're going to do a quick comparison between Photoshop and HitPaw. So which one is the fastest tool for auto editing? So if you want to make just a quick editing example in 2025, let's just compare Photoshop and HitPaw. First of all, what are they? Photoshop is the gold basically standard for professional editing. It's powerful, precise, but complex. But for HitPaw's example, it is a lightweight, beginner-friendly tool it's basically made for quick AI edits, like objects removal, background erase, or even face enhancement. And of course, it can even be used online. So for the projects or objects removal, HitPaw is simply using one click. It's AI powered. But for Photoshop, it is manual, and you'll basically have to do the manual brush or generate a fill. Specifically here, an example, we can just go and show you right now an example using any file. You'll have to go and use the brush tool and use it manually. Of course, for the background removal, the same. Photoshop needs masking or AI selects. But for HitPaw, it's auto remove in seconds. You can just go and choose that option. For the skin and face enhancements, again, in HitPaw, it's auto retouch option. But for Photoshop, it's always manual tools in fillers or filters. But for the UI and setup, also like Photoshop, it requires some steep learning curve. But for HitPaw, it is very easy. You can see the things that you need in front of you. It's super simple and no learning curve. It's very easy. So when to use what? You can use HitPaw's example if you want just a fast and AI-based edit, like removing tourists, maybe cleaning up selfies, or perfect examples for just like content creators. And you can use Photoshop for basically professional layout or layered edits, creative control, or when quality matters more than speed. So if you want something fast or the fastest for edits, HitPaw is the winner here. But if you want the best for pro level control and quality, of course, you will need to use Photoshop. But it requires a little bit, not actually a little bit, but it will require some learning to be at least intermediate at Photoshop. So yeah, which one would you use for you? Comments below, HitPaw for speed or Photoshop for power. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.